Assalamualaikum dear students, I hope you will be fine. Students, in the previous video we have seen that how we can define an equation and what is meant by equation. So in this video we are going to solve our practice set 27. Okay, in the previous video we have learned that how we can use letter or alphabets in place of numbers. Okay, so now in this video we are going to solve an equations, means we are going to find out the solution of given particular equation. Okay, so let's start. So question number 2 from practice set 27 is here. Find out which operations must be done on both sides of these equations in order to solve them. Means whenever we want to solve the problems given equations, so we'll have to do the particular operation which is opposite of the given operation. Means here students, plus sign is given, means addition is given, so you will have to subtract the number from both sides. Which number? 9, because 9 is given over here. Okay, so the equation will become x plus 9 minus 9 is equal to 11 minus 9. Okay, like this. So which operation we will done over here? Subtraction, because addition is given to you. So we will have to find out the operation which we have to done on both the sides, means finding out the operation which must be done on both sides of this equation. So here we will do subtraction because addition is given to you. Okay, so here we minus 9, we subtract 9 from 11, so our answer will be 2. Here 9, positive 9, negative 9 cut, here 11 minus 9, so x is equal to 2. So the value of x is 2. Solution of this equation is 2. Okay, so here we have only find out the particular operation which have done over here. Next one, here x upon 6 is equal to 3. X upon 6 means x divided by 6. So division is there, so our equation becomes x divided by 6 multiplied by 6 is equal to 3 multiplied by 6. So here we have done multiplication. Okay, so no need to write equations, you will have to write only the name of particular operations. Which operation we will do here? Here we will do multiplication. Now the next example. The next example is 8x. Here this one, 8x. So 8x. Here the sign which is present between x and 8 is multiplication. Why? Because we consider the sign multiplication. So here we will do the opposite operation of multiplication, that is division. Okay, 8x divided by 8, okay, here is equal to 24 divided by 8. So 8 and 8 cancel, here x is equal to, read the table of 8 up to 24, 8 3s are 24, so x is equal to 3. So the value of x is 3. The solution of this particular equation is 3. Okay, so here we will have to write only the operations. Which operation we will do? We will do division over here, because 8x, here multiplication is given. Okay, so now the next example, x minus 4 is equal to 9. Okay, so which operation here? Subtraction is here. So which operation we will do? We will do addition. Okay, so x minus 4 as it is plus 4 is equal to 9 plus 4. Here minus 4 plus 4 cancel, x is equal to 9 plus 4, 13. So the value of x is 13. So the solution is 13. Okay, so likewise we will have to do the different operation over here. Now the next question number 3. The question number 3 is that given below are some equations and the values of the variables, means changeable, x, y, z or any letter. Are these values the solutions to those equations? Means the value of particular variable is given to you. You will have to find out whether the value is correct or not, whether the given solution is correct or not. Here, first example, y minus 3 is equal to 11. This one is your first example. Y minus 3 is equal to 11. So here value of y is 3. So put the value of y in this equation. So 3 minus 3. Here if we will put the value of y 3 minus 3 is equal to 11. Is it correct? No. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So 3 is not the solution of this equation. So here yes or no you will have to write. So no, because 3 is not the solution of this particular given equations. So students, I hope you will understand my point clearly. So what should be the value of y here in this equation? So we can say that 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Okay, so the value of y should be 8. Then the solution is correct. Y is equal to 3 is not correct solution of this particular equation. Okay, now the next equation, the next one, second number, 17 is equal to n plus 7. This one, 17 is equal to n plus 7. So here the value of n is 10. 10 plus 7 is equal to 17. Yes, so this is the correct solution. So we can write yes. Okay, or we can put tick. So write down yes over there. So this is all about the question number 3. Now these two, question number 3 and question number 4, these two are your homework. So note down your homework. Okay. So students, I hope you will got my today's point clearly. Inshallah in the next video we will see the next topic. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you.